Leave now. That is the order for people in parts of Lewis County. Pack up and go.
Yeah, the orders are for Goat Rocks, High Valley, and Timberline. This is a level 3 evacuation order for those fairly remote areas. Level 3 is serious, which means leave now. Meanwhile, a level 2 evacuation order is in effect for the nearby town of Packwood. That's just west of Goat Rocks area over there. And level 2 means be ready to leave at a moment's notice.
WashDOT has also shut down Route 12 in both directions. Now, this is between the town of Packwood and White Pass Summit to the east. Back to those evacuations. Fox 13's Jennifer Dowling has more from Lewis County near the town of Packwood.
Yeah, she shows us what the evacuations mean and what the people there are seeing.
Never seen the smoke that close before. It's pretty scary.
As the sun struggled to shine through the haze outside the Red Cross shelter, Kathy Kirk and Dave Johnson talked to us about their swift evacuation after their home in Timberline was moved to a level 3 order at around noon.
They're doing everything they can. Just pray for the firefighters up there.
They packed up their camper with essentials along with their cat and a friend's dog.
Doing all right. As long as he's getting his food and water, he's happy.
The couple plan to sleep in the parking lot of the shelter at White Pass Junior Senior High School in Randall.
Our essentials is a dog that we're taking care of for somebody, our cat, which is in the camper, some of our medicines, and some clothes, and we did go back and get some beer.
We caught up with other evacuees inside the shelter who were listening to a local high school football game, passing the time with one another and hoping for the best.
The winds funneled it right down into our area. And once it catches the trees, it really goes fast.
Katie Triplett evacuated from her High Valley cabin home, which is in a heavily timbered area. She's lived there for 14 years, and this is the first time she's been evacuated.
We were at the store, which is 2.2 miles from my cabin, and I had ash falling on my car, and the smoke was really thick.
The Goat Rocks fire has now burned more than 150 acres. US 12 leading into Packwood is closed as firefighters continue the battle. Dave is a retired wildland firefighter and knows the damage fire can do. He also works at a nearby ski area and has been watching the fire activity on his way to work over the past week with concern.
For the last week, they've been tinkering with it, with the helicopters and trying to get some equipment up there, but all the road, there's no road, really good access there.
And that was Jennifer.